In Southeast Asia, the motorbike is more than just a vehicle, it's a way of life. From the narrow alleyways of Hanoi to the bustling street of Bangkok, from muddy road in rural Cambodia to the urban dust of Manila, motorbike everywhere. But with constant exposure to dust, mud and rain, keeping them clean is a daily challenge. Traditional manual washes are time-consuming, labor-intensive and inconsistent. Long queue, variable quality, high dependence on skilled worker, it all adds up. That's why Go&Go introduced a revolutionary solution, the fully automatic motorbike washer, built specifically for Asia's unique road and riding condition. Whether your customer ride a city scooter or a dirt splash motorbike from the countryside, the Go&Go washer delivers a complete clean, fast, efficient and fully automatic. For everyday city bike, the wash cycle takes only about 2 minutes. For mud-covered off-road vehicle, the cycle lasts around 4 minutes. Using stronger pressure and multiple cleaning paths, every wash is counted by an integrated digital system, helping you track performance, customer flow, and plan your business better. Even better, the total operating cost per wash is only around $0.2. This includes electricity, water, and specialized chemical. Compare that to the standard service price is most province $1 per wash. You gain speed, consistency, and cost efficiency without sacrificing cleaning quality. This is more than just a machine. It's a business opportunity, compact, modern, and scalable. Imagine placing this system in high traffic area, near supermarket, local market, apartment block, or even at a cafe. While the machine does the washing, customer enjoy a drink, get their helmet clean, or run errands. It's convenient for them and recurring income for you. You can also integrate automatic helmet washer or offer bundle care service, turning a single customer visit into a multi-service transaction. The Go&Go washer is designed for practical use across Vietnam and region. It runs on either 220 volt or 380 volt, making it compatible with both household and industrial power source. The setup is straightforward and Go&Go provides ongoing technical support and professional training through its dedicated vehicle care training center. This is perfect for entrepreneur or even investor looking for passive income stream with minimal staff requirement. And since it's fully automatic, labor costs are drastically reduced while customer satisfaction increase thanks to speed and service consistency. If you're serious about upgrading your motorbike wash business or starting a new venture with low overhead and high return, this is your opportunity. Go&Go offer live demo season at its factory in Ho Chi Minh City, where you can see the system in action, understand the operation, and sign your contract directly. After signing, your machine will be ready and delivered in 35 to 45 days. Go&Go fully automatic motorbike washer, efficient, profitable, designed for the road you ride. Contact us today to schedule your demo, receive a full quote, and become a pioneer in smart motorbike care.